Fifth question. In a classroom, four friends are seated at the points A, B, C, and D as shown in figure. Jarina and Funny walk into the class, and after observing for a few minutes, Jarina asks Funny, "Don't you notice that ABCD is a square?" Funny disagrees. Using distance formula, decide who is correct and what. First, we can find out by observing this figure. A, B, C, D are seated. Seating points are A, B, C, D. First, we can write what is the A point, B point, C point, D point from this diagram. So here, let A is equal to, it is in the first box, second box, third box. So in the x-axis is the 3 and y-axis is 4, then A point is 3, 4. Similarly, B point is 6, 7. Why? Because it is 4, 5, this is 6. 6 and it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6, 7. And C is equal to, it's 9, 1, 2, 3, 4. So C point is 9, 4 and D point is 6, 1. These are the points, the positions of the seating of A, B, C, D persons. Okay. Here by using the distance formula means we know that the distance between two points x1, y1 and x2, y2 is under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now we can find out from these points the distances of AB, BC, CD and DA. And next we can take the diagonals also, AC distance and BD distance. If all the sides are equal and also diagonals are equal, then it forms a square. If any side is not equal to other one, then it not forms a square. From the distance formula, we can take AB distance is under root of 6 minus 3 whole square plus 7 minus 4 whole square. It is equal to under root of 3 square is 9, 3 square is 9, root 18. Similarly, BC is also we can find out, B point is 6, C point is 9, 9 minus 6 whole square plus 4 minus 7 whole square. It is equal to under root of 9 minus 6 is 3, 3 square is 9, 4 minus 7 is minus 3 whole square is plus 9, it is equal to root 18. And CD is equal to under root of D is 6 minus 9 whole square plus 1 minus 4 whole square. That is equal to under root of 3 square is 9 plus minus 3 whole square is 9. It is equal to root 18. DA is equal to under root of 6 minus 3 whole square or 3 minus 6 whole square plus 1 minus 4 whole square. It is equal to under root of 6 minus 3 is 3 square is 9. 1 minus 4 is minus 3 whole square is 9. Is equal to root 18. Here AB equal to BC equal to CA, CD equal to DA. The all sides are equal. Next we can find out AC is the diagonal of the square. Then AC equal to 9 minus 3 whole square plus 4 minus 4 whole square equal to root 6 square is equal to 6. And also find out BD. BD is equal to under root of 6 minus 6 whole square plus 1 minus 7 whole square equal to root 6 6 are 36 equal to 6 only. Minus 6 whole square is plus 36. So here AC equal to BD. Therefore, the sides all are equal and diagonals are also equal. Therefore, ABCD forms a square. Jarina is correct. Funny is not correct. Why? Because Funny disagrees to square. Jarina observes that figure and she says it forms a square. So, Jarina is correct. This is the solution. Sixth one, show that the following points form an equilateral triangle. The vertices of the triangles are A is A comma 0, B is minus A comma 0, C is 0 comma A root 3. Here we can prove that equilateral triangle means we can show that AB side is equal to BC side is equal to CA side. We can take, given that the given points are A comma 0, B minus A comma 0, and C 0 comma A root 3. Here we know that the distance between the 2 points x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2 is under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Here first we can find out AB distance, that is equal to length of the one side of the triangle equal to under root of x2 is minus A, x1 is A minus A whole square plus 0 minus 0 whole square is equal to under root of minus 2A whole square is equal to under root of 4A square is equal to 2A. Next, we can find out BC distance, that is equal to under root of B point is minus A comma 0, C is 0 comma A root 3. 0 minus into minus plus whole square plus A root 3 minus 0 whole square is equal to under root of A square plus root 3 whole square is 3A square equal to under root of 4A square equal to 2A. Next, to find out the CA distance, that is equal to under root of C point is 0 minus A whole square plus A root 3 minus 0 whole square is equal to under root of A square. Root 3 whole square is 3, A square is 3A square is equal to under root of 4A square is equal to 2A. Therefore, the all sides are equal. AB equal to BC equal to CA equal to 2A. Therefore, ABC forms an equilateral triangle. Just equilateral triangle means the all sides are equal. From the distance formula we are using, the lengths are equal. This length is 2a, this length is 2a, this length is 2a. So all distances from the 2 points are becomes the lengths of the three sides are equal, then it forms a equilateral triangle.